never lose the phone.
Our first devices we discover here is the system sensor P2R and the Firelight BG12LX. And a fire sprinkler, which is our first one.
This is so good.
And we discover our second fire sprinkler on the ceiling. And a fire extinguisher that's branded by Amex, which is inside a case. And now we have our second fire alarm device, which is called the Wheelock AS. This one is particularly a horn strobe. Another AS. I think this one's a strobe only. I'm not very sure. This is recorded from a distance. And we have our third fire sprinkler, which is an upright one. Here's our fourth AS. And our fourth fire sprinkler. I just wanted to show you some of the alarms outside of a Culver's. These appear to be a sprinkler belt and a system sensor P2RK. This isn't necessary, but I just discovered some sort of valve. But I'm not sure if it's related to fire safety, but it for sure looks really cool. And we have this fire alarm testing keyhole. This activates the system for tests and all that sort of stuff. Some sort of thermostat cover. It's just 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Another Wheelock AS. Exit sign. You already seen the stuff in the entrance. Same stuff. And just the security camera. A sprinkler belt outside this Goodwill, plus a Gentex Commander 2 outdoor version outside the building. So wait for part 2. That's coming out later. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the Goodwill fire alarm tour. So subscribe, hit to the bell, because I'm trying to get 100 subscribers like I said in my last video. So please like and subscribe, do all that stuff, blah blah blah, all that. So, bye bye.